would be way easier if we used the blender.
I don't know why the recipe says whisk.
Yeah.
Okay, let's put it in the oven.
Right. I'll handle holding it.
You got it?
Yes, you
Okay.
have to open it.
I will open the oven for you.
But don't turn it on yet.
It's already heating up, sweetie.
Oh no.
Do you want me to help you? Because, yeah, you can see that it's pretty hot. It's okay. I'm going to help you.
No, I can do it.
Okay. You just hold one side, I'll hold the other. Watch out for all the metal stuff because all the metal stuff is conducting heat.
Yeah.
You got it? Can you close up the door? The door will push it over, sweetie.
I'm
Just close it
scared.
nice and slow.
I'm scared they will tip over, so I'm...
No, they're good. Good job.